This Christmas, let's make decorating the tree more meaningful than ever. Personalized ornaments bring warmth, memory, and emotion into your holiday traditions. They turn a simple tree into a story, a reflection of your family, your celebrations, and the moments you want to remember. Today, we're exploring personalized Christmas ornament ideas that are simple, heartfelt, and perfect for adding that special touch to your holiday decor. We'll look at creating personal themes, adding meaningful details, and showcasing ornaments in a way that makes your tree truly unforgettable. Start by choosing a theme that feels close to your heart, something that reflects your family, your memories, or the essence of your holiday traditions. This theme becomes the foundation for your personalized ornaments. Whether you prefer something elegant, playful, or sentimental, the goal is to let your personality shine through every detail. Think of the ornaments as chapters in your holiday story. Each piece captures a moment, a memory, or a feeling, creating a collection that feels warm, authentic, and uniquely yours. What kind of personalized ornaments do you love most? Sentimental, creative, or elegant? Share your favorite style in the comments. The beauty of personalized ornaments lies in the details. Add touches that represent your life, whether it's initials, dates, symbols, or designs that hold personal meaning. These gentle details turn each ornament into an emotional keepsake. Use textures, shapes, and accents that express who you are. Soft tones, warm patterns, and delicate highlights make each ornament feel special and intentional. It's not about perfection, it's about creating something heartfelt, something that matters. If you loved these personalized Christmas ornament ideas, like this video and share it with someone who loves handmade holiday decor. Once your ornaments are ready, it's time to display them with love. Spread them evenly around the tree, balancing sentimental pieces with simpler accents so each one has its moment to shine. Subscribe for more Christmas DIYs, crafts, and festive home ideas. Highlight meaningful ornaments by placing them at eye level or in areas where the glow of the lights enhances their details. When displayed thoughtfully, personalized ornaments become the heart of the tree, the pieces that catch your eye and warm your spirit. And there you have it. Simple, meaningful ways to create personalized Christmas ornaments that make your holiday decor truly special. These little pieces aren't just decor, they're memories, stories, and reminders of the people and moments that matter most. All the ornament supplies and customizable pieces are linked below. So this Christmas, decorate with intention, create with heart, and let your ornaments tell your story. Merry Christmas, and may your tree shine with love this season.